What's up, YouTube? Today is a great day, man. For this G30, we're about to make a transformation for the chrome grille to carbon fiber, and also the mirror caps from gloss black and gray to carbon fiber. Yeah, I know it's a 5 series, but being an M Sport, updating it to carbon fiber will give it that F90 look. Yeah, and also I know you guys agree, this gray is the only gray that gives Nardo gray a run for its money. Yeah, so let's see. For the grill, we have 3 clips at the top. What I'm trying to do here is give them a little push, and they should easily come off. And then we go at the bottom. We also have clips, but for this, all I'm trying to do is give them a gentle wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
And voila. Carbon fiber. Now the installation. Exciting. Yeah, so we start by aligning the clips at the bottom, basically doing it in reverse as we did with the removal. Ensure those clips are well slotted in, and then we move at the top where we give the top clip some push at the slide in, and then just give it a push. And now for the side mirrors. This is what we are working with. I don't know if you can see, but at the back there is a clip. So 2 clips that we need to loosen. And let's get working. Ensure you have the right tools, screwdrivers, trim tools. A trim tool is very important. Makes such a huge difference. Finally! So at the bottom of this piece, we have 2 screws that hold the blinker and 2 other clips that we need to loosen. The blinker is out, so out with the odd. Wait for it. Carbon fiber, great finish right there. So as I mentioned earlier, we have these 2 clips that we will be slotting back in. So now let's put back the blinker, plug in power, and install the mirror cap. And here is the end product. Look at those details, man. Look so damn good. The moment you've all been waiting for. You guys. Is this an M5 or what? So aggressive. Look at that. I love the gray and all black accents. Stunning. Simply lovely. Loving the new look. And now, let's go for a drive.